My name is Amakiasu Turpin. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm 70. I'm about to be 71 in a few days, which I can't believe. I, it's indescribable, really, and it just gives you hope. It gives me hope in humanity, and what we can do and in what's possible. I'm a retired teacher. I just took a 9-day tiny house workshop at Wild Abundance, and it was fabulous. I was delighted by the camaraderie within the class. There were so many different age groups and people from Alaska and Hawaii, from all over the country, from diverse backgrounds racially, gender-wise, and we all just kind of came together so beautifully. It's indescribable, really, and it just gives you hope. It gives me hope in humanity, and what we can do and in what's possible. I'm so excited about my own project, which I hope to initiate in Atlanta in the next few months. I do hope to invite the community to assist me and to teach other people about the tiny house movement, because I think it's a cultural movement. It's about living simply and learning that we can do with less and reducing our stress and reducing our need for economic support, so much economic support. I often felt as a young adult that I had a chain around my neck because just having a family and a house, and it was just so much. So I think that tiny houses are part of the solution. And they don't have to be itsy bitsy, They can just be small houses, and maybe off the grid. So there's so many possibilities, and I'm really looking forward to what I'm going to be doing.